In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix battery icon missing on laptop. So first, in your PC, click the Start menu and simply type in Device Manager and open it up. Now, once inside the Device Manager, look for Batteries and expand the drop-down menu. And here you should see the two battery adapters. And from here, all you have to do is right click on each and make sure that the drivers of these adapters are up to date. So just click on Update Driver. From here, you can search automatically for drivers and proceed by searching for updated drivers on Windows Update. You can always check back to this device manager page to check the status of this battery adapters. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!